Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Perplexity.ai not opening and you are getting the error message. Please unblock challenge Cloudflare.com to proceed. This happens when Cloudflare security check is blocked by your browser or VPN or DNS, or if you are using any extension at that time you can get this type of problem error. So let's fix it step by step. So first you need to disable the VPN from your PC. If you are using Perplexity on your phone, if you have connected any VPN on your phone, you need to disconnect it. I am using Windows PC. I will open Windows settings, go to network and internet. From here open the VPN settings. If you have connected VPN, you need to disable it. Also, if you have using or if you have set up any proxy server, you need to disable it temporarily. After doing this guys, hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. If you are using Perplexity on any web browser like Google Chrome, in the Google Chrome, if you have using any ad blocker extension or any other privacy extension, at that time you need to disable it. To do this guys, open the browser, go to extension settings. Okay, click on extension, click on manage extension. From here you need to disable it. Okay, after doing this guys, it will also helps you to fix your problem. Still the problem is same guys, you can try the next method as well. You need to open your browser setting. Now you need to enable the third-party cookies and JavaScript for your browser. Go to privacy and security and here you can get the option third-party cookies. Open the cookies settings and you need to allow the cookies from here. Okay, like this. After doing this guys, if you have set any DNS, custom DNS for your PC, you need to reset your DNS server to default. To do this guys, you can try this method. Now you need to open your network settings, click on Wi-Fi and Internet. From here you need to select DNS option and you need to set it to automatic DHCP. Don't need to set it manual. Okay, after doing this guys, you need to restart your browser and your PC as well. One more thing you need to check, if you have using any third-party antivirus or if you enable your built-in Windows security antivirus, you need to disable it temporarily. To disable it guys, you need to open Windows settings, go to privacy and security, go to Windows security. From here you need to open virus and threat protection and disable the antivirus. So this is built-in antivirus. If you are using any third party, you need to also disable it from your PC. One more thing you can try, you need to try another browser like Microsoft Edge or Firefox. On that browser you need to check how your Perplexity is performing. In case the problem is same on other browser as well, you need to wait for a few minutes. Sometimes the Perplexity server was down due to some internal glitches. After waiting, you need to try to browse your Perplexity. Now it will definitely fix your problem. Sometime your Wi-Fi network block Cloudflare challenge. To confirm, connect your laptop or phone or another Wi-Fi network. If Perplexity open normally, then your router or ISP is blocking Cloudflare. Restart your router or ask your ISP to unblock your Cloudflare. Okay, one more thing guys, you need to also check your internet connection, how your internet connection is performing on your PC. So if the internet connection is very low, not coming at that time, also you can face this kind of problem issues on your Perplexity. After doing this all method guys, open your Perplexity and try to browse your Perplexity. It will fix your problem. And that's it. These are the ways to fix the Cloudflare challenge error and get Perplexity.ai working back on your PC. Try each solution one by one and you will be able to access the website normally. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.